4 sets of abs crunchies, yoga poses, and sets of squats. Or should I go to the library? Let's decide on the way. We are taking this. Good morning, beautiful people. It's another day and another vlog, and I woke up with a headache today, and it's feeling really bad. But I'll cope up with it. I'll do something, home remedies or something, and I'll take you all with me. And also today I have to go to the library because I got this book a month ago, and I had to return it yesterday. Today is 8th April, and yesterday was 7th April, but I forgot it. And today I'm gonna go and you know, I think I'm not gonna return it, but I'm gonna reissue it for me. And yep, and I'll take you all with me over there also. And yes, let's start our day. And first of all, let's have our breakfast and let's do something for our headache because it is feeling really bad. And yep, let's get started with our day. I've made this black coffee for my headache and I hope it gets a little better. And after having this black coffee, I might work out a little bit and then go to the library to reissue my book. It is too concentrated, but yeah. And if you all don't know already, I've started working out since yesterday and it was quite intense workout. I just plugged in my earphones and started working out because I was very hyped up yesterday. And yeah, so we have started our workout. And I might sound funny, but I can see the changes of that workout. And yeah, I'm happy. I felt so refreshed after that. And yesterday it rained also, so plus point. I'm quite feeling good today, so I also might end up painting also. So let's see what I paint. I have 3 canvases left, mini canvases, and I'm gonna refer to one Pinterest photo and I'm gonna paint it and I'm gonna use it for my room decor and I'll keep it somewhere and I'll show you. And the weather update, it's very hot during the day and Ratko, it is raining over here and it is very cozy during the night time but very hot during the day. So yeah. And I guess this year's summer is going to be my favorite because it rains during summers and that is unusual, I know, but हमको क्या करना, हमको तो cozy feel करना है. So I'll tell you all what I have to do today. First of all, I'll have this drink. This is black coffee to ease my headache, and then I'm gonna work out a bit, and then I'm gonna get freshened up and go to the library, and वहाँ से book reissue करके and new books find करके I'll come back, and after lunch I might go to the vet because yesterday I went to the vet and it was shut down because we reached late and the timing is 9 till 9 a.m. till 5:30 or 5 p.m. something and I reached at 5:30 so it might be 5 p.m. and yep, so missed it. And yesterday I also wanted to have this dosa from a new place and yesterday I went there and they were like it is shut today, you all can come tomorrow. So today I'll go over there also and yep, I'll take you all with me everywhere. I have tied my hair up and now I'm gonna go and work out and yep, see you all later. So I've done my workout and I've just finished and if you can see this glow, then you can tell that I did workout and I did 4 sets of abs crunchies and then 2 sets of squats because I've just begun. And then I did some yoga poses and that's it. And yep, now I'll quickly get ready, freshened up, and then I'll go to the library and then I'll take Gulu for his vet appointment and you all will come with me. So I'll quickly fold this yoga mat and then go. I know it is quite dirty, but I bought this in 2021 and तब से आज तक I think I've just worked out on this mat for maximum 10 times and yeah, but in 2025 I'll make sure that I use it to its best potential. So yeah, यहाँ से गोलू hated stupid boy and yep, I'll skip this. Do not focus on my background because it's quite dirty. I'll have to clean that too. So yeah, I'll quickly get ready and see you all later. I'm done with my shower and now I'll quickly have my lunch and then I'll see you all. And we are gonna take Golu to the vet first and then we are gonna go to the library. And yep, so that's the plan. I don't really enjoy my lunch that much as I enjoy my breakfast and my dinner. But I just have a small amount of everything and just because नहीं खाऊंगी तो पतली हो जाऊंगी ना. That is why. Do you all want to see what I have for my lunch? I guess so. So I'll show you what I have for my lunch. I'm having this rice and chicken curry with some salad, and that's it. Nothing much, and I've taken really small amount. See, this is my hut, and this is the amount that I'm taking or eating. So, yep. See you all after having my lunch. So I've changed and I'll quickly get ready. I'll just apply the sunscreen and some lipstick and eyeliner. That's about it. Whenever I apply eyeliner, cheek आनी है मुझे. कौवा is cow cawing. I think ऐसी कहावत है कि जब कौवा काव काव करता है तब somebody visits your home like guest or someone. This shifting weather is crazy. दोपहर में गर्मी होती है इसलिए we drink water ठंडा, एंड शाम को बारिश होने लग जाती है तो सब ठंडा पानी नाक से बाहर आने लगता है. Some lipstick. It is Lakme lipstick in shade I don't know. 12 pink glam. I don't think you can see that, but it is. Yep. I'll apply some blush. Just for the kick. छोटू सा थोड़ा. I'm ready. I like my curly hair. Sometimes I love my straight hair. Straight hair nahi. We're just gonna rock with curly hair. It is natural also, so fine. So yep, see y'all first to the vet or to the library. I'm deciding to go to the vet first. Or should I go to the library? Let's decide on the way. So yep, let's go. And this is how I look. So yep, that's it. Now I'll leave finally. And I've reached to the vet, but guess what? I forgot to get the book that I had to return to the library or issue it back. And so I'm gonna go to the vet now, and then I'm gonna go and petrol bharing in my gadi, and then I'm gonna go home. Then I'm gonna go get my book, and then I'll go to the library. So this is the receipt that they give, and if you want to come over here anytime, then main highway, so you have to take second left after CHC. I left Kulu घर पे because it was feeling very uneasy. तो अभी मैं petrol भरने जाऊँगी. And I'm back, and all of my to-do list is ticked because सबसे पहले I did my workout. उसके बाद I got freshened up and I went to the vet. वहाँ का done. उसके बाद I went to the library. वहाँ का done. उसके बाद I filled petrol in my bike. That is done. And now I wanted to have masala dosa, okay, from a new place because of that incident, that trust issue. My trust is gone from that dukan only, and now I want to try new places in Walpo itself. And my friend recommended this shop, and it is exactly right opposite to Badi Masjid in Walpo, that white masjid, and it is next to that something that ice cream shop right next to it. And my friend was saying that it is really nice. They serve plain dosa and without sambar, but with chutney, and it sounds like different, and I want to try it. So yesterday I went there, and they were like it is over, and today I went there and they were like the battery is over. And I guess they serve according to people, मतलब जितने लोग हैं उतना order लेके they'll serve. So they told me to call on this number. I will flash it over here, and to order it first and then they'll serve. So today, tomorrow before going, I'll order it, and later they will serve me. I'll show you all how it tastes and review, etc. Whatever. And the book is also issued. It was due at 7 over here. See, 7 April. That was the date of returning it, but I forgot yesterday. So today I issued it again for myself, and yeah, that's about it. Some biscuit in chai is never too bad for you, right? So yep. And now today is Tuesday. So my mom was insisting me to take her to the market, and we are taking this. I think it will rain today also. I was actually feeling loss of appetite, so I thought of why not try this shiv puri.
So I've got this and I'll see if I can eat this. I don't know, since 2 days. Not 2 days. Since yesterday and today, I guess. And here we come to an end of this video. See you all in my next vlog.